It is the 14th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories.
Today's main story is about Donald Trump and a plane change.
3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, enquête sur Trump, président américain en Turquie. Investigation about Trump, the American president in Turkey.
Trump again.
Next, les ventes de voitures classiques à Monterrey peuvent atteindre 500 millions de dollars. Classique, car sales in Monterrey can reach $500 million.
A very expensive week.
And les délais pour la chirurgie du cancer augmentent aux États-Unis. Cancer surgery delays are increasing in the United States.
Now, time for today's main story.
Here is today's headline. Trump prend un autre avion en Turquie. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Trump prend
Trump takes
un autre avion
another plane
en Turquie.
in Turkey.
And notice, autre comes before avion. Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Trump prend un autre avion. Trump takes another plane. Today's word is prendre. Say it with me. Prendre. L'avion attend à Ankara. The plane waits in Ankara.
Avion is a plane. It belongs with l'aéroport, le vol, and le départ.
Il part, mais il change d'avion. He leaves, but he changed plane. Mais joins 2 ideas. Les autorités disent que la sécurité est forte. The authorities say that security is strong. Les autorités, sound formal, les responsables, is a simpler everyday way to say it. La sécurité est forte. Security is strong. Today's word is sécurité. Say it with me. Sécurité. The final, though sound is clear and steady in French. Now for the pattern of the day. Prendre. To take, je prends. Tu prends. Il prend. Nous prenons. Vous prenez. Ils prennent. The headline uses the ill form. Prendre. One last time at full speed. Trump prend un autre avion en Turquie. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Est-ce que Trump prend un autre avion?
Do Trump takes another plane? Est-ce que turns a statement into a question without changing the word order. Here it is in everyday French. Est-ce que vous aimez le café? Do you like coffee?
Is it A, un autre avion, une nouvelle voiture? Or C, un autre avion?
I will not tell you which one. Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.